because the question comes when we try to speak in English. So don't have to hesitate, don't have to, you will have to be confident. The point number is that when we try to speak, so the confidence, the lackness of confidence, people have a lackness of confidence. They are not trying to improve confidence, and actually the confidence, when suppose you have skill to making sentence and you don't know how we can improve, how we can make sentences in English. So whatever we speak in Hindi, so that is the way you have to think same, you will have to think in English, and after you will have to open your mouth. Okay, so then you will able to speak in English. Okay, and after I would like to tell you second one point, that is the practicing in front of the mirror. I think you have heard about it, and most of the people had told you about it. No, so if you are practicing in front of the mirror, then you can improve your English confidence, and you can improve your English communication skills. So don't waste the time. Go and practice at your quarter in front of the mirror, and actually, and you have to talk to anyone. So don't think about what are you committing mistake in a starting time. It happens with anyone. So don't think about it. Learning means what? We commit some mistake and we try to learn from the mistakes. That is the, we practice a lot, and by which way we learn something. So actually, I personally believe I have faced so many problems when I was trying to speak in English. I used to speak in Hindi, and I was thinking about how I can improve, how I can talk in English, because that time I don't know even a single lines in English, and how I think you can consider about it. Right now I'm speaking in front of you. So what? This is the gift of my practice. This is the gift of my hard work as well as, and you don't have to think about in starting point. The people have to face problem. If anything we don't know, so what? In a starting time we try to learn. So don't think the people what will think about it when you try to speak in front of anybody. And most of the people think about, yes, the people will start laughing at me when I will try to speak in English, they will start laughing at me. That's why the most the people don't want to speak, and they are not trying to speak in English. So I would like to suggest to you, you will have to remove it, and you don't have to consider about it what they are thinking about you, and they are laughing at you. Don't watch it and don't consider about it. In a starting period they will laugh at you. In our society it happened with, I think it's happened with everyone. When the people try to speak in front of the anybody in our society, the people start laughing at them, and they say how they are speaking and what they are becoming like Angrez. I think you have heard about it. So don't think about, we are Indians and we have good sources, we have good skills, and we have good mind, by which practicing we can enhance our English communication skills. And personally I believe, until unless we practice a lot, how we can improve our communication skills. So I think the practice is one of the best way. Practice is the one of the best key by which we can get more things, more knowledge. And that's why the people are practicing and they are trying to speak in English. And the language English is the one of the best attractive language. Attractive language, personally I believe, because when I speak in front of anybody, they appreciate me. How are you speaking, Naveen? Because they don't have skills how we can speak actually. So whatever I have suggested to you, go and speak in front of the mirror, and don't think about what are you committing in a starting period. It happens with everyone, and don't think about it. It will be removed passage of time. Okay. So go and practice a lot. Definitely you will speak better to me and as well as another people. So that's all from my side.